Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I do my bob, as well as give you a quick little rundown on this hair, show you how the packaging looked when the wig came, which is to die for, and they have really fast shipping. So if you'd like to purchase hair from ISEE Hair, definitely would recommend it. So in today's video, this unit that I have on is from ISEE Hair, like I just said, and in the title too, they sent me their deep curly unit in 150 density and 22 inches, and obviously I've cut it into a bob and I love it. I love this for the summer to fall transition. It's a really cute and easy style to do. If you'd like to see how I actually do my baby hairs and stuff, I have a previous ISEE Hair video where I did an install with a wig, and now in today's video I'm just showing you how I'll style the wig, cut the wig, and a review. So if you'd like to see all of that, just keep on watching. And if you'd like to purchase this hair off the rip, which I would recommend, to be honest, it's a really good wig, then the links to the wig and ISEE Hair will be in my description box, so you can go ahead and purchase. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hey, so what I'm doing right now is going to just use my finger to part out a section in the wig. Then with my spritz, like my Fantasia spritz, you could use any other like really good holding spray to do this. And what I am doing right now is pretty much flattening the top of my hair. This is what I do for, if not all, most my curly wigs, and it just helps a lot with just ensuring that the top is pretty seamless and flat when it comes on to side parts. So your hair can be wet or dry, it doesn't really matter, as long as you just spritz it down and use a hot comb on like the highest heat setting, or my hot comb, which is Hot and Gold, the brand. And yeah, just do that. It's getting really hot, y'all can't even see the steam, but this hot comb is like steaming right now. But again, to the top, and we're gonna do the same thing. Now that the top is nice and seamless, I'm gonna just go in a little bit with my Cantu and water in this spray bottle, just to define the curls a bit more. And if you'd also like to see how I install this wig, or how I install all my wigs, there is a ISEE Hair tutorial that I did before this one with their kinky curly, and now I'm doing it with their deep curly, just to see like a difference between patterns and stuff. And I actually really like this. My favorite like to go hair is deep curly, so I am in love with anything deep curly. It just has to be good quality, and I'm in love. And this is good quality hair on a good quality wig. So again, just going in until I'm satisfied with how everything is looking. And I'm gonna just go in and also spray the flyaways that are here in the back, and just use the back of my hot comb to press everything down. I'm gonna just let the hair dry a little bit more, air dry that is, and then I'll be back in like 5 minutes or so. So even though it's been 5 minutes, I hope you guys can definitely tell like a slight difference in how the curl is like a little bit dried. What I am going to do now is cut a bob. I love deep curly bobs, they are entirely my faves. So this is their hair in 22 inches, and I think, to my knowledge, it's 150 density. This is how a 150 density wig would definitely look, and I'm gonna just cut it. So I'm going to definitely do a test piece where I cut it from long to short, just to see how short I want to go, instead of just cutting off the rip. So I'm gonna do a time lapse until I like it. Okay, so I dated. I feel like that lady from that TikTok, and she was just like, girl, don't do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just thinking about it. So I did it and I like it. I like it so much. And I know that after defining my curls again, the ends are going to like spiral up. Somewhat like that, and it's just gonna look better than right now. I'm just letting y'all know, a little disclaimer, because that's just something I've always experienced with cutting deep curly bobs. Whenever I do my whole detangling process again, it does curl up the ends and give you this really nice finish. But so far so good. I am in love. ISEE never disappoints. So from their kinky curly to this deep curly hair, love it so much. And let me show you guys the contents of the box this time. So the box came with the same box from last time, so consistent with packaging, and they're telling you that you can just Google ISEE hair and it'll pop up. And on the inside it says see your beauty. So it comes with this super duper long elastic band, and for those who don't know, whenever you use glue, or if you like to like seal your wigs down, you can after doing your edges, you can just tie this around your head. So they give you something long enough to tie, as well as something long enough to do your ear-to-ear tabs for your elastic band for your wig to be glueless. This wig is glueless, by the way, but the bands in the back support the wig enough for it to be glueless for my head, so I didn't have to use the elastic band. So this is going to come in handy whenever I do need it. Then they gave me a hair scarf for me to tie my hair up at night, so definitely will be doing that. They gave me another set of wig caps. You get the hair care tips, as well as showing you how to get money off and so on and so forth. We also got, this time we got a rat tail and comb and brush for edges. And there's also some lashes. These are cute. These are actually cute. I'm wearing the ones from the last ISEE box, so these are cute. And that's all that comes in the box along with the wig. So just a heads up for anyone who would like to purchase and stuff, that's all you'll be getting, and that's really good for someone who wants to do a glueless install. And if you'd like to see me do my glueless install, it's in my other ISEE hair video. So my latest ISEE hair video with the kinky curly hair is where I show you. But let's just jump into the review portion of this video. I love this wig. As you can tell, curly bobs are my faves, and a lot of you guys who have been OG subscribers have been watching and loving curly bobs from me. They're like really my favorite hairstyle to do, because it's just so simple and easy. Just gotta put on a wig, you don't have to worry about straightening, and then just snip up the ends, and that's you out the door. So I feel like it's super duper convenient, especially for the fall time where you're gonna wear scarves, and you know you don't want nothing tangling up in your scarf, so this is perfect. And also for like the fall summer situation where it's like hot and like on the verge of getting cold, you just want something light and airy, and I think this is it. The 150 density did work in my favor for this bob, because I'm not seeing any dullness within the hair, as in it's not too thin. It's perfect just for this style and just the way I like it. I wouldn't recommend getting any higher of a density when doing a curly bob. The lower the density, the better it is for you to control it. It's way cuter than a big crazy poof on your head, and I mean some people like that. So if you do like that big crazy poof, then girl, you go get you your 180 density. But I think 150 suits this hair really well, or this style really well, and that's just my personal preference, to each his own. And yeah, so far love it. I don't have a tangling problem, never really do with ISEE hair, and that's just really crazy because curly hair tangles, but this one it doesn't, and I'm surprised. Never had a tangling. Shedding is really at a minimum. Again, this is one of the few companies that whenever I get their wigs, it just doesn't shed. All I have to do is a nice cold wash, which I have done with this hair, and then detangle, and that's just it. And you have little to no shed hairs coming out that brush. So love that for her. And overall, I just think this is just a really good quality wig. Would I recommend purchasing? I definitely would, because the hair is bomb. So that concludes my mini review, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to purchase this wig, and again, I definitely would recommend you to, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.